write the audio when I have a chance, when I get going.
Today is December 10th, 2013. We will be evaluating a litter born October 22nd, 2013. The sire is Multi-Best in Show Grand Champion Windrift's Dance to the Music ROM, known as Danny. The dam is Champion Windrift's Webcam.com, known as Cami. There are 10 puppies in this litter, 6 boys and 4 girls. And we're going to begin evaluating the boys.
This is the red boy. He's got beautiful bone, beautiful clean feet. The coloring on the feet is exquisite and very, very nice bone. His front is extremely good. When you drop him, the legs come down totally straight. There he goes. Good boy. Good boy.
Do you have drop cam on your computer? Where?
His shoulder angulation, his elbows are right underneath his withers. He's got good angulation. Everything is very balanced. He's got a lovely length of neck. A nice short back. Easy boy, it's okay. Easy, easy. Come on, let's go. It's all right. And the rear is nice width in the rear, and when you pick it up and drop it, if he's gonna straighten up, it's okay, it's okay. He's got both testicles, yay! And a very nice bite. His ears aren't up yet, which they will be coming up, but they are very well placed on top of the head. Kind of talk to them, get their attention.
Come on, baby.
Alright, well, the network in here is so poor, it's dropped the camera.
Come on, baby. There you go.
It's
Hi.
not recording, or it's not good enough?
The
What?
camera's recording, but the webcam's dropping.
What does that mean?
It's dropping off the network.
Oh,
Far away from the wireless.
So don't stand there, Deb. Stand over there so you're not blocking it.
anyway, this is a very nice puppy. Very pretty, nice stop, nice wedge on his muzzle.
Tail set?
Tail set is a little loose right now. I'd like him tighter, but it is right up there, and he will, they get tighter with age. But he's kind of flagging it. Stop, stop.
Sweet.
But this square is right underneath that body. He's not overangulated like that. They come right underneath the body, front and rear. Very nice puppy. This is the red one.
This is called the head.